Did you know that you can format your comments on YouTube? In this video, I'll show you how to add special formatting to your YouTube comments. You can add some extra emphasis to your comments with just a couple extra steps. When you type comment, if you put certain symbols around text, you can make them appear italic, bold, or with a strike through. To make text in your comment bold, just put asterisk around it. For italic, use underscores around your text. And for strike through, put hyphens around your text. When you post your comment, you will see the words formatted. Feel free to leave me a feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.